All right, let's talk about something uncomfortable. Banks reward bad behavior and punish the people doing the right thing. You save your money, stay disciplined, avoid debt, and somehow you end up worse off than the guy who borrows recklessly. Feels wrong, doesn't it? That's because it is wrong, but it's also by design. Here's the truth most people never face. The banking system doesn't exist to make you wealthy. It exists to use your wealth. When you save, the bank borrows your money and lends it to someone else at a higher interest rate. They reward the spender, the borrower, the one taking risk, because that's where their profit lives. Meanwhile, you, the cautious saver, get crumbs. You think your money's safe sitting in a savings account? It's not even yours anymore. It's a loan you gave the bank. And the return you get, that tiny interest rate, doesn't even keep up with inflation. So every year, your savings quietly lose value, while the system that borrowed your money grows richer. Let that sink in for a second. You're being punished for being responsible. Here's the mental trick they pull. They sell saving as a virtue, but only for you. For them, it's a tool, because your savings give them the power to create more money out of thin air. They lend 10 times what you deposit, then charge interest on money that never existed. And yet, people still brag about their savings account like it's financial wisdom. It's not. It's obedience. Ever notice how the people who borrow millions get better treatment than the people who save thousands? That's not a glitch. That's the system rewarding leverage. If you owe the bank a little, you're their customer. If you owe them a lot, you're their partner. And that's the psychology behind it. The system rewards the ones who use money, not the ones who store it. Because money sitting still is dead. Money in motion multiplies, but only for the people controlling the flow. So while you're trying to be smart by stacking cash, inflation quietly eats it. Prices rise, currencies weaken, and banks, the middlemen, keep winning no matter who loses. Let's be real. They don't want savers. They want feeders. People who deposit, so they can lend. People who borrow, so they can earn. People who trust the system, so they can use the trust. So here's what you should know. Don't save money, store value. Put your money in things that work harder than inflation. Assets that grow, earn, or multiply while you sleep. Not in accounts designed to make you feel safe while you quietly sink. Because safety, in the modern financial system, is just a slow death. The system is built on debt, not discipline. And until you learn to play the game, you'll keep being the product. You don't have to be a banker to win. You just have to stop thinking like a saver. When the system punishes savers, the smart move isn't to complain, it's to evolve. Don't cling to comfort. Follow the flow. Money rewards motion, not caution. And here's the final truth. If your money isn't growing, someone else's money is growing from it. Banks already know this. Now you do too. So stop being the one feeding the system. Start being the one using it. Because in this game, saving won't save you. Only strategy will.